control, basically how data is getting copied from one document to another document, that is controlled from copy control, like from sales order to delivery or from delivery to invoice. Okay, so all the data that is getting copied. So when we create sales order, then after sales order, we create delivery with reference to sales order. So here, this in the backend, copy control is set, which copies your data from sales order to your delivery, like your material, your sold to party, shipped to party, all the relevant data is copied to delivery automatically. Similarly, when you create invoice with reference to delivery, automatically the data is copied to invoice. So in backend, this is controlled through copy control. So this we will see in detail today. Now in SD, we have these are some of the copy control scenarios. So in standard order scenario, sales to sales. So let's say when a inquiry is created or when a quotation is created. So both these are your sales documents, inquiry, quotation, and your order. So a sales order can be created with reference to your quotation. Similarly, the sales quotation can be created with reference to the inquiry. So here we have to maintain sales to sales copy control. So this copy control from quotation to order or inquiry to quotation, this will be maintained in the copy control. Similarly, when we are creating delivery with reference to sales, so there will be copy control from sales to delivery, then from delivery to billing. So this is one scenario. Then you have return scenario. In return scenario, your return order is created with reference to your billing document. Okay, and it can also be created with reference to sales order, but normally it is created with reference to billing document. So when we create a return sales order in VA01, we will give reference of invoice or your billing document. So we need to maintain copy control from billing to sales. So then only system will copy data from your invoice to the return order. So that is one copy control we have to maintain. Then sales to delivery and delivery to billing. This is same as of previous scenario. Then next scenario is credit memo. Credit memo is billing to sales and then sales to billing. Okay, so when we are issuing a credit memo, let's say for returns or for any other credit we are returning, so we will create a sales order with reference to your billing document, and then there is no delivery, so directly invoice will be created. So this is your order related billing scenario. So copy control will be maintained from your sales to billing directly. In first two scenarios, it is from sales to delivery, but here it is sales to billing directly. Okay, so these are the scenarios which can be there. So if you see sales to sales, this is one copy control. Then delivery to billing, this is one, two. So two scenarios. Then you have billing to sales. Okay, then third scenario. Then sales to billing. So the different copy controls we have to maintain. Okay, so what is the use of say copy control? Copy control technique is useful where the multiple entries of same data is required at various stages of sales transaction. So same data, for copying same data, we have to say, maintain this copy control. Like once the quotation is created, you will enter your sold sales, sold to ship to material. Then when you create order with reference to quotation, all this data is copied automatically. Similarly, in delivery, this is copied. So to reduce the data entry work, uh, this copy control is essential, where the same entries are required with unique changes in the maintenance of data. So let's say pricing will also be copied from your sales order to your invoice. Uh, so for pricing related changes, will be copied and all the data will be copied. Then you can modify the data if the change is allowed. So then we can uh, update the pricing, let's say. or let's say you have to update the payment terms or Incoterms, which is copied. So then we can modify in the transaction document to ensure the data is consistent throughout the document flow in the entire transaction. So it will ensure consistency because system is taking care of copying data to reduce the risk of manual entries, thereby reducing the manual errors. So since manual entries are reduced, system is automatically taking care of the copy control. So manual errors will also reduce. So these are some of the uses of copy control. Okay, now challenges: how to copy only relevant data to subsequent document. So we should know what all data is to be copied to the subsequent document, how to ensure the copy of important business data such as pricing, exchange rate, invoice quantities, etc. So copy control from sales to delivery, then delivery to billing. Then we will see in the configuration, all these are different fields in the configuration which we need to maintain. So copying requirements, so these are some requirements, kind of small programs. So once this requirement is fulfilled, then only system will allow to copy from one document to another. So there are different requirements are available. Then pricing control. So pricing should be referenced to from which document that is controlled in pricing, quantity, value update document flow. Okay, so document flow, if we uncheck here, then document flow will not show in the system and the VBFA table will not be updated. So this is your update document flow, influence on document status, schedule lines, okay, data routines. Routines are also some conditions upon which this control will work. Then allowed source and target document. So this we will see in detail in the coming slides, all these fields. Okay. So points to remember before configuring copying rules. Copy controls are maintained for SD documents at header item schedule line level or for the condition records. For condition records also it can be maintained. So let me log into system also parallelly. Okay, so where to check find this? Go to SPRO. Then you go to SD module, go to sales. Okay, then maintain copy control for sales. So sales related copy control will be available here. Okay, delivery one will be in the, okay, say sales will be here, and then your billing related is under the billing tab, and shipping will be your will be available under the logistic execution. So if you go to shipping, here we will find copy control. Okay, so these are the copy control are available in different places. So let's see one of them, copy control for the sales document. So sales to sales or billing to sales. So these two scenarios are given here. Sales to sales document. So here we will have scenarios like quotation to order, or inquiry to quotation, or order to order. Okay, the sales order related copy controls, sales and pre-sales related. Okay, you can also go by transaction. VTA is the same transaction which we opened through configuration, order to order. Check in another system. Go to SPRO. Yeah. So sales to sales. Let's see this one. Okay. Okay. So target quotation to, we have to see quotation order to QT. So source is your quotation and then target is your order document. So here all the sales orders, all the sales documents will be listed here for which we want copy control. So here from quotation to order, copy control is maintained. This is the standard one. So if you see, these are at the three level. First is header, then item, and then schedule line. So at three levels, we have to maintain copy control. In case of sales to sales copy control, it is the copy control is to be set at three levels. And for delivery to billing or from sales to delivery, only two levels will be there. There will be no schedule line. Okay, so let's see this one. So let's see, first one is header level. If I go to header level, some issue with system, it is taking uh, more than expected time. I, okay. So here you can see source document and quotation or your order to target document. Then you have this copying requirements. So this means same header customer, header same customer. So this means only when customer number is same, okay, or when you sold to party is same, then only the copy will happen. So when we are creating order with reference to quotation for QT document type, only when sold to party your customer number is same, then only it will allow to copy. So this is one of the routine. So similarly, lot of other routines are available. So scenario wise, we can use them. Then data transfer BBAK. So this is again a different kind of transfer routine. Okay, so general header data should be same. So general header data like your payment terms, Incoterms, okay, your sales area. So all the general header data of both the documents should be similar. So if you have different sales area in order and different sales area in, let's say, in quotation, then system will not allow you to create copy control. So 51 requirement is controlling that the header data should be same. Okay, basically the VBAK table, the data in VBAK table should be same. Then you have this header business data should be same. Similarly, the partner related data should be same. Okay, so these are the different copying routines in standard from QT to OR. And copy item number, whether the item number should be copied from your quotation to order. So like let's say line item numbering is 10, 20, 30. So whether the item number is to be copied or not, that we can control from here. And then complete reference. So as soon as your once the quotation is used, one order is created with reference to quotation. then your quotation will be closed. So this is that complete reference indicator we can control from here. Okay, so complete reference, the system copies the source document completely. Okay, so if we indicates whether the system copies the source document completely, also copies the reference indicator target document. So this means once the quotation is completely, the all the quotation will be completely used. We cannot use this quotation again. Okay. So now next is your item level. Okay, so let's say my quotation item category is AGN. AGN will not be there. Okay, so for this AGN item category AGN is standard for quotation. Then these are at the item level, we have these controls. So like we have routines at the header level. Similarly, we have requirements or routines at the item level. So copying requirement should be 301. Okay, what is 301? Item rejection reason. Okay, so if any item is in rejected status, then it should not be copied. So that is your 301. Then routine 1 header same customer, so that is controlled at the header level. Okay, so different routines are available here. So this one will control rejected item is not copied. Then you have data transfer VBAP. Then there are different item level tables. Uh, Different routines are available. So general item data. So general item data should be same, like your material number and your material specific item related details should be same. Similarly, the business data at the item level should be same. Partner items should be same and conditions should be same. So this is your item level controls, and so these are all the different routines available. So we can also add our own routines with the help of your technical team, ABAPers. Then copy schedule line. So this will copy schedule lines. And if we check this one, then it will not copy batch from one sales document to another document. Then update document flow. This document flow field is here. So if I remove this, then document flow will not be updated. In the backend, your VBFA table will not be updated. Okay, so this is related to your free goods or re-export structure. I think in bill of material related scenarios, you have to use this. If it is a configurable item, then this we have to use. Okay, then positive or negative quantity, that we have to see here, 0, positive, negative. So okay, so this way is indicating whether the copy control will have positive or negative impact. Let's say we are creating with reference to quotation, and how many orders are consumed. So quotation to sales order, this is positive impact. Contract to returns, this is your negative impact. So this you can read through. Then copy quantity. Okay, so our copy quantity, we have to copy target order quantity or we have to copy the target quantity. By default, it is automatic quantity determination. Then pricing type A. So pricing type A is copy price element and redetermine scales. So when we create from quotation to order, so system will copy the price elements, and if any scales are maintained, then that will redetermine scale. If we set to B, then it will carry out new pricing. So different pricing types are available so that we can control from here. So C is copy manual price and redetermine the others. Okay, so manual price is, let's say if we have entered anything manual price in quotation, so that will be copied as it is and other will be redetermined. So this is from the pricing type we can control. Container item copy mode. Okay, so what is this field? Copy mode for control in value contract item. Okay, this is related to your contract. This indicator specifies how the material in value contract may be copied. So this is specific to your contracts. When you are using contract, then this field can be used. Copy product selection. Okay, the product selection, which is this field, specifies whether the system automatically copies result of product selection from source document to target document. Okay, in case of material listing and exclusion, we have to maintain that product listing. We have to maintain the assortment. So that is whether we system should copy or not. And then this campaign. What is this campaign? Copying mode for campaign determination. And okay, so something related to campaign. So these are all not used. The pricing type is important one. Whichever ones are maintained here, those are the important ones. The blank ones are not used that much. Now, if we go to schedule line level, so here, let's say we have MRP, BP. We'll select the schedule line BP. Okay, what happened? Why this was not opening. Okay, not opening. So here you have copying these two requirements. Your schedule line data should be same requirement 201. And 201 general schedule line data should be same and your quantity should be greater than 0. So this is the copying requirement. Okay, so three levels in sales document, we are maintaining copy control at the three levels. Now, if I go to, let me go to the billing delivery one. So for delivery, we have to go to LE, shipping. Then we have copy control, specify copy control for deliveries. Now here delivery type, standard delivery type is LF and OR. So from order type OR to LF. So when we are creating delivery with reference to OR order, let's see the control. So here, as I mentioned earlier, only two levels will be there, header and item. There is no schedule line level. Let's see the header level. The header level, your order requirements, your header data should be same. Similarly, combination requirement. If any orders to be combined, then here this requirement should be met. Okay, so in delivery we can combine multiple orders and then we can create a single delivery. So that is order combination process. So 51 requirements should be fulfilled, combination, then only it will allow. Then header data it will allow, header data should be same. Then handling units, header data, external system should be one, copy item number. So these are the standard controls at the header level. Then if I go to item level, yes, here we will have TN. Okay, so order requirement should be 101. What is 101? 101 is, so when you want to see details, you can click on this eye icon. So if any information is there, its system will explain. Okay, so this is like the shipping point should be same. In order to ensure this, requirement is assigned to appropriate delivery item copying rule. So shipping points are if shipping points are different, then delivery will the single delivery cannot be created. Delivery split will happen. Okay, if we have to combine multiple orders, then that single the delivery shipping point should be same. Similarly, business data should be same, and document flow update we have to control from here, and positive or negative quantity impact that we can control from here. So this is from your LF to order to LF. Now you have copy control from your order delivery to billing also. So let's go to billing. Again, billing to delivery to billing document. This is we have to maintain here. So my billing type is F2 and delivery type is LF. This is also at the header and item level. So go to header level. So again, this requirement should be same. Okay. It has some export related data. Then this is to be used export data and delivery. Okay. Assignment number and reference number. So the assignment number is C. So both these numbers will be passed to your accounting document. Okay. So account assignment number in a standard we are using C delivery number. So assignment number, your delivery number will be used, and in your reference number is E, so current billing document number. So this is your E. Okay, so if I go here assignment, you can find the assignment under additional information. Okay, forwarded from SD to FI. So when we are creating accounting document, so in FI, these two numbers will be passed. So this is what we are controlling here. What number should be passed? Now let's say TN item category. So delivery item copying requirement should be 004 delivery related item, and this is invoice split related. Okay. Then billing quantity should be B. Delivery quantity minus invoice quantity. Okay. So whatever you have delivered minus in already invoiced quantity, that is your billing quantity. Then positive or negative impact that we can control from here. Pricing type is G. G stands for pricing element unchanged and redetermined taxes. So pricing is copied unchanged from your sales order, but taxes are redetermined in the sales order level. Similarly, pricing exchange type, whether which pricing exchange rate you want to take, whether copy from sales order or pricing exchange rate to accounting rate, so that we can control from here. Then price source, what is the price source? Is your delivery or order. Okay, E is your delivery order. This is your delivery to billing invoice, your order to billing copy control. So now let's continue with the presentation. So copy controls are maintained for SD documents, header item and schedule line. So this I have shown you. Okay. Then you should first check whether copying rules in standard SAP suit your requirements. If you want to define new rules, okay, so we can define our new rules also after for our own documents. We have to maintain in that copy control. Okay, so this you can read through what we were configuring. Okay, target document source, copying requirement, transfer routines, all this I have shown you. This all I have shown you there directly in the system. Okay, the pricing types that I have shown you in system. So these are those, these are that. Now where to maintain this also in sales and distribution under sales for your sales related copy control. Okay, this is same screenshots you can go through these. For shipping copy control delivery related will be here. Okay, and billing will be under your billing. So these transactions you can go through PTAA, VTLA, VTFA. So directly if you enter this transaction, that copy control screen will open up. And VOFM is the place where we define all the routines and your requirements. So that is the transaction VOFM. Okay, so I will stop here today. So if you have any questions, you can ask me.
No, sir, no questions.
No questions? Okay, fine. Then
Yes.
we will connect tomorrow then, 9 o'clock. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Good night. Bye.
good night.